Hello everyone, welcome to my art maker channel in YouTube. This is Jack Chen in Hong Kong, China. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a success bracelet. Do you want to be a successful people? Of course, everybody wants to be success, but how to? So today I share with you how to make a success bracelet and talk about with you how to become a successful people. Now, please follow my camera and I will show you how to make a success bracelet and talk about with you how to become a successful people. Today we are talking about success. So I want to make one bracelet for the wording of success. This is my design. This is a silver 192.5% silver. Now I want to make it with jade, Lafitte jade, to make one bracelet. Now we are talking about success. If you want to be success, on my understanding, so you should have a gold. First you have a goal, you know where you want to go. If you don't have goal, you don't know where you want to go. So if you want to be success, the first things you should have a goal. And then the second one, you should have ambitions. That means you want to be success very strong. You have strong ambitions. So no matter how hard in front of you, how difficult you make, you will never get up. So have ambitions. 3. Put full responsibility in your life. Don't blame other people. Don't blame the society. Don't blame the economic. Don't blame other things. Take full responsibility for yourselves. 4th, read a lot. Many success people read a lot of books. They will get new information, learn new technical, learn other ways to catch success. Number 5, don't give up. If you want to give up, I hope you can give up immediately. So you have to not to give up. Don't afraid to fail. If you fail, You just fell forward. You fell and get up. Fell and get up. So these are number 6. This is all what I know the rule about success 9 rounds, because today I'm making the success bracelet, so I just talking about something on my understanding how to success. And success is a number game. It's about you how many times you try, how many times you failed, and how many times you give up. So for example, for me, my goal is get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's not interesting, huh? 1,000 subscribers. This is my first goal. So until now, I already have 200 subscribers from 0 to 200. Now let's see. Our bracelet. Success. Want to put one off. Wow, I'm a successful people if you take action for your goal. You see, today we made a bracelet, already a sample how to be success. How it's almost be success. I just keep going, keep moving, and never get up. Also, for my English speaking, I'm not a English speaker. Then I learn by myself and I just keep improve. Of course, I also will make a lot of mistakes, but doesn't matter. I did not give up. And I try again, and again. So I can speak a little by little English. I don't listen to the naysayer. If they say I can't, I will heard I can. If they say to me impossible, and I will just listen as possible. Done. Okay, nice. SUCCESS success. Bracelet. I am the successful people. If you follow my rules as I said before. Now after a few minutes, we already finished the success bracelet. See? Looks nice. So guys, take action to make a success bracelet by yourself and take action to become a successful people. Okay, I'm Judge Chen. See you next time. Bye bye.